It's just one of those mornings. It's just one of those days. And I just don't feel to talk about it. I just don't. Guys, I'm having one of those mornings where like I broke down and stuff like that because I just don't like to feel overwhelmed. And being in the army, when they have hit times for stuff, I don't like to be late. I need to figure out how not to break down at the slightest inconvenience. Guys, it's hard for me to ask for help. Okay? I'm very hyper independent. Because I don't know if it's because I'm an only child or whatever the case may be. It's hard for me to ask for help. I don't know how to put these words together, but it's just one of those mornings. And I had to ask for help. But I felt like I should not have had to ask for help. But help is needed. And it's okay to ask for help. But sometimes I just feel like I don't need to ask for help. You understand what I mean? Good. This morning, it was very hectic for me. Baby boy, I wake up in the early hours in the morning. That led me to be like oversleep. And then I try to pack my lunch. I try to do a bunch of something. And then baby boy go puke up on himself again. Shirt have to change. It was just a lot. And I had a freaking nervous breakdown. I'm late. Late plus tax to carry people them something. And to be honest, I don't give a shit. I promise you, me not give a shit. If they want me absent and they want to do this and they want to do that and all that stuff, let them do it. Because me not make nobody stress me. Like, it's not like I deliberately came late. It's not like I deliberately said, okay, you know what, I'm gonna come late. I just don't care. This morning was just a morning, and I see one girl just a come. She just a come because I know me alone late, and I know me alone they get stuck at the gate and there's something there. So one girl just a come, and I feel that bad. Now if we find parking is the other thing. My dear. Guys, I'm so happy for my hairstylist because like everybody liked the style, and I was the one that told her about the style. Well, I sent her a picture of the style and she freestyled it and made it into regulation, because certain hairstyle we can't wear and blah blah blah. You know how it is in the army. So I went to the dentist to reschedule my cleaning. And the receptionist was like, oh my God, I love your hair. And I'm like, oh, thank you. And she was there talking up a storm with me. And she's like, you know, I said I sent like 2 other ladies her way. And she was like, really? I might steal your hairstylist too, because that style is gorgeous. I'm like, girl, this is 3 weeks old. Like, this is so old. And she's like, really? She's like, I have soft hair. You think she tugs on it hard? Is it like hard? Was it tight? I'm like, it was tight enough that it was bearable, because everybody's head is different, and maybe she's more tender-headed than I am. But anyways, I feel so good that I sent someone else her way, because she's good people, and I really want her to build her clientele and stuff like that. I just love that for her. I just love that for me. I love that for me and her. I just feel like this is gonna be my signature style. Like, I just love this style. It brings my face off. It is just perfect for my face and my, like, how my, yeah, it just looks really good, guys. It really fit me, and I love a hairstyle that fit me. Yeah, I might switch it up, but this is gonna be my style that I'm always gonna go back to, because why fix what's not broken? You feel me? Guys, I'm about to go up to one of my friend's room to go eat lunch. Yeah, remember, guys, I used to be in the barracks, if y'all didn't know, I used to be in the barracks, and girl come out of the barracks, but girl don't forget where she come from. So girl is gonna look for our friend, chill with her a little bit, in the nice AC instead of me in the car to by myself and them something there. Why not just go and look for my friend? So guys, I told you I was gonna look for my friend. Hi, say hi, guys.
Hi, how are you?
So this is her room. Her room is so freaking cute. Out of everyone, she had the best room. Yeah, she had the best room. Still have the best room, because me and this one moved out of the barracks. But she still had the best room when we all were in the barracks. You feel what I'm trying to say? So I'm gonna eat lunch and then I'll catch y'all later, I guess. Okay.
Only because you ain't here.
Okay, people, I never really in a talking mood. You know, me just put on a good face because I want to no content. Anyways, me there make a little protein shake here to bring for my breakfast. Usually eat boiled eggs, wasn't feeling eggs this morning. So now me feel like, my mind tell me to go check on baby boy. Look here now, look here. Look at this. Where are the wrong there, sir? Me put it over here, sir. Where are the over there, sir? Eh? One man tell me to go look by if it's what you're doing. I don't laugh with you, man. So I was packing my lunch here. Yeah, man, Aki and Selfish, the thing did there. And full up my water bottle and all of that. The next place for me get to know, have you go have one of them fridge that will make its own ice. But not even bother buying an ice maker because I think it's gonna go to waste because I'm not, the place that I'm staying at is not gonna be forever. Yeah, so I need one of them, ice maker fridge there. So I'm gonna have to make ice every time. Yeah, now baby boy in, he's poop Tanamos prime. Every time the boy poop, the boy can't poop, the boy can't do, you see? Yeah, man. Your nose nasty. Your nose is nasty. Stop moving around like, oh Lord, you wipe it on your hand, your eye, everything. So guys, here I'm packing the purees to send with him to daycare. I'm so grateful that we found this daycare for him because it's hard to find good daycares out there right now in the world because I've been hearing some horror story. I don't know what I do. I don't know what I would do. They would have to lock me up if certain things go on. You understand? Me one egg, me one boy, you're crazy. Here I'm just catching up on some schoolwork, and school has been busting my ass, especially this course because the teacher wants you to think and use up your brain cells. But I've been doing fairly well and I'm just really grateful that I'm almost finished with this class. Yeah. Guys, I can't tell when last I took up the camera. I don't remember. But this is gonna be somewhat the closing clips of this week's vlog. I mean, I really have nothing for show no, guys. So I'm gonna get a lymphatic. Is it lymphatic? Yes, I'm gonna get a lymphatic drainage. I was doing my research, and guys, I'm gonna tell us I try everything. I buy the weighted vest, my walk at evening time. I've been working out at the gym. The gym kind of temporarily closed right now at the place that I live. I don't know, some renovation. I don't know what they're doing, but it temporarily closed. But I am also gonna do some pelvic floor exercises because that's what I never did. I was told to do those, but it just go through 1 year and come to the next. And then again, I just didn't prioritize it. But now I'm gonna start prioritizing it for sure. This is not healthy, but I have some nuggets within the fridge, in the freezer for a long time, and it's time for it to get eaten. Now hopefully it tastes good. If it don't taste good, me just not gonna finish eat it. Cause one thing with me, if it's not worth the calories, me not eat it. Once me I eat something and it tastes bad and it's not worth the calories, it not getting eaten. It not getting I'm not doing it. I'm not doing that to myself. So let's go now.
Niggas know what an ass so fat. Hey, why you wanna go and do that? So you can get back his ring and the key. He's pulling me back, telling me I need you in my life. Hey, walk in the house for hard work, my head hurt instead of.
Guys, why me feel like Miss Lady Red I go come down for me when I get the massage? My back hurt me, and my back hurt me is usually when Miss Lady Red is in town for the month. I mean, a white pants, people. I'm gonna bring no security. Lady Red, please, I beg, if you come in, come when the massage done and reach my yard. You hear me? Oh. And if I had to, it's only been a year. Give me it, and I'm gonna take my time. Don't you blow your mind. Y'all know that I can't sing. Anyways, guys, it was a very relaxing massage. I ain't gonna lie. Why me not the people in place a snore? Snore now. It was relaxing, but I thought it was gonna be more pressure. Like she'd have to rub out the body properly. But it's not a regular massage, it's a lymphatic drainage massage situation. So I don't know if I saw it is supposed to feel. So I don't know how to feel. But I feel like she did a good job. She was very light-handed and all of that stuff. But yeah, guys, this is where I'm gonna end the video. Because as I said, I don't want to make it too long. You know, attention span short. Yeah, y'all, attention span short. But go and pick up on yourself if y'all reached so far in the video. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for staying and watching the video to its entirety, or through the whole thing. I don't know how to phrase that, but thanks for stopping by and staying overall and watching the video till it's done. Yeah. Sometimes I try to use the words them, and the words them just not coming out in the way I want it to come out. But anyways, go and pick up on yourself and catch you in the next one. Yeah. All right, peace, one love, bye.